What? LTX2 is the first open source video model with synchronized audio?
Exactly. Let's show it.
The sea breeze caresses my body. The campfire is bright that night.
Let's begin the tutorial. First, go to TensorArt and select Create Video. Choose the LTX2 model. Then you can upload an image and enter your prompt to start image to video generation. If you prefer text to video, simply switch to the text to video section and select your desired aspect ratio. Everyone is welcome to come to TensorArt and give it a try.
If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.